Welcome to Business with Edo, and I've got no idea how many of you may have seen the superb piece of investment news that has come out of Zimbabwe lately. And it's really a look into the crystal ball for South Africa, and it's a sort of a hello the future type of scenario.
The funny democracy, funny legal system.
Like and subscribe for more.
Zimbabwe's President Robert Mugabe has issued a presidential order to all of the commercial banks in Zimbabwe, and they are to grant loans to the people of Zimbabwe that bring livestock, white goods and other furniture to offer as collateral for those loans. What's more, the livestock, white goods and furniture are brought in with a valuation to be determined by the customer applying for the loan, not a valuation determined by the market. So therefore, loans need to be granted based on the valuation of the collateral that the customer applying for the loan applies to that livestock, to those white goods, to that furniture. And bearing in mind that Zimbabwe has been under a scenario for the past number of years whereby previously colonially owned farms and land have been invaded and taken over, as well as at the same time any livestock, white goods and furniture on that land has been taken over at zero value. Now those same livestock, white goods and furniture are now being used as collateral at the bank to be able to gain loan money. So which means effectively that the livestock, white goods and furniture being plundered from these farms and houses are now being able to be served to collateral as a way of converting livestock, white goods and furniture into hard cash, which certainly makes it a far more financially viable option to invade property. And one wonders what will happen in South Africa should the same type of order be given to the banks as far as what is valid collateral for loans or not, and what will happen to the stock valuation of those banks should that happen, especially considering that a fair amount of the stock in South Africa's banks is foreign owned, or for that matter owned by your pension fund. That's my take on the matter. Post your comments, questions, criticisms in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like the video, share it out amongst your friends. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button that's down there. And last but by no means least, remember, until the two of us meet again, try not to get yourselves lost or killed, and I'll see you next time.